Hi dears, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today in my kitchen I've made delicious veg pulao. It is simple and easy but tastes super delicious. Try this recipe. If you like the recipe, please do consider to like, share and subscribe. We'll show you the simple method so that the rice will not stick to the bottom of the cooker. Let's start. Here I've taken 3 cups of basmati rice soaked in water for 30 minutes. Before soaking the rice, wash the rice thoroughly, then soak. After 30 minutes, strain the rice to take out the water completely. Here I have taken 3 cups of fresh coriander leaves for 3 cups of rice. Add this into a blender. Mint leaves I am adding 3/4 cup for 3 cups of rice. That is, for 1 cup of rice, you can add 1/4 cup of mint leaves. Adding 8 green chilies, add according to your spice level. And you need 15 big garlic cloves which weighs 50 gram. And 6 inch of ginger which weighs 30 gram. Add little water and make a fine paste. While grinding, add minimum water. For 3 cups of rice, I have taken 5 cups of vegetables. I have taken 1 cup of cauliflower, 1 cup of carrot and 1 cup of beans cut into 1 inch. Then 1 cup of potato and 1 cup of frozen peas. I have added 4 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add the spice. You need 3 small bay leaves and 3 inch of 2 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise and 4 cardamom pods and 10 cloves. Saute it in a low flame till you get a good aroma. Then add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. After onion becomes soft, add the green paste. Mix it and cook it till the oil comes out. Oil has come out. Now add the vegetables. After adding vegetable, add the tomatoes. Here I am taken 3 medium-sized tomato chopped. I mix everything well. Add salt to taste. Keep the flame in low and close the lid. This will help the vegetable to release water and cook. No need to add any extra water. In between, open the lid and stir and cook the vegetable 80%. Don't overcook it. When veggies are 80% done, I'm adding 3 cups of water. For 3 cups of basmati rice, here I'm adding 3 cups. For 1 cup of basmati, you have to add 1 cup of water. Check the taste. If you need salt, add now, and salt should be more than usual. When it boils, then add the rice. Carefully mix it. I'm adding 1 whole lemon juice. Now close the lid of a cooker. Keep the cooker in a medium-sized burner to cook. Don't use the big burner. No need to add pressure regulator or weight valve. Keep the flame in low and cook it for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, switch off the flame and keep it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the lid. You can see the mouth-watering veg pulao is ready. And check the rice. It's cooked perfectly. Don't use the spoon to take the rice. Instead, invert the cooker in a big bowl or a tray. This helps to avoid the breakage of rice. This method of cooking is very easy and simple. Rice will not stick to the bottom and burn. but you want to do the traditional way, then put the pressure regulator low flame, 2 whistles. Thanks for watching.